Hi, it's Amy again with Ozone, and today I'm going to show you the multi-uses our Veggie Clean can be used with. I showed you in the previous video how we can sanitize fruits and vegetables. Not only can it sanitize foods, but it can also clean utensils, sanitize your cutting boards, and your counter space. That helps save money and eliminate using harsh chemicals in your water or on your hands. I read an article recently on how to sanitize cutting boards because it is porous and bacteria does get inside the wood and grows. So instead of take hydrogen peroxide, you would use a sponge, you pour it over and let it sit for a few minutes. It'll start fizzing just like it would on a cut. You would take your sponge, rub it in, do the other side. What it says to do is let it sit for a few minutes. You can either use hydrogen peroxide or bleach, which is a harsh abrasive chemical. And you would take your water, rinse it. I'm going to let dry. So I'm going to rush this process. I'm going to dry it. Okay, and like I mentioned, our Veggie Clean, our under-the-counter ozonating machine. And this Ozone on tap. So I'll take the ozonated water, start making it work. Like I showed you in the past, it's underneath the sink. We have our ozone. I can hear it working. Our water is being ozonated. It's coming out. Since the cutting board is large, there's no way we can actually soak it. You fill the sink up with ozonated water. Normally I would let it soak for about 2-3 minutes. You can also sanitize your utensils, your countertops. So easy. No soap. Perfect. So how would you like to clean your cutting board? Hydrogen peroxide, bleach, or just clean ozonated water? I think that would be the easiest, environmental friendly, and easy to use. All in one touch on your sink. So then you just dry and put your cutting board away. Clean. Veggie Clean. This is the best product. I recommend it to be bought and be put in every household. It helps. It's user friendly and it helps save money. And it's great for your family, for you not to be eating those pesticides or using dirty cutting boards. Again, check out our website, www.aquasunozone.com.